Welcome to my e-commerce knowledge in under 5 minute series, where I share key business concepts to help grow your e-commerce business in a quick and easy to digest format. Today, we're continuing our breakdown of the 5 key strategies for Amazon sponsored products advertising by diving into the first strategy, protective campaigns. Now, there are 3 components to an effective protective campaign, and that's sponsored products keywords campaign, sponsored products product targeting campaign, and sponsored brand keyword campaigns. Let's break down each one. Starting off with a sponsored products keyword campaign, you're bidding on your own brand name as the keyword. This ensures that when customers search for your brand, your product shows up first, protecting your listing from competitors. It's a good idea to allocate a higher budget for these campaigns. We would say usually about double the budget of your other campaigns in the portfolio, since protecting your brand is a high priority. Next, we have the sponsored products product targeting campaigns, where you target your own branded products. If you have multiple SKUs that complement each other but aren't in the same parent variation group, this is a great tactic for you to employ. Here's an example. If you have 4 related products, you would target SKU 1 with SKUs 2, 3, and 4. Then do the same for SKU 2 with SKUs 1, 3, and 4, and so on until all SKUs are cross-targeting each other. This creates a protective net to keep competitors from taking over those sponsored product spots in your listing pages. And finally, we have sponsored brand keyword campaigns, which are similar to sponsored product keyword campaigns, but instead of using sponsored product ads, you're utilizing sponsored brand ads. These include things like sponsored product collections or store spotlights, which shows up at the top of the search results, or sponsored videos that appear in the search pages. Again, you're bidding on your own brand name, but this time with brand ads that offer a more engaging and higher visibility format. Well, that wraps up our overview of protective campaigns. Remember, by covering all 3 of these areas, sponsored products keyword campaigns, sponsored products product targeting campaigns, and sponsored brands keyword campaigns, you can effectively defend your listings from your competitors. Next week, we'll be diving into offensive campaigns, where we flip the script and go after our competitors' customers. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned. Goodbye.